Right. Well, we got our mascot here, Hope. She decided to come to the garage with Scooby. Alright, well, I was going to do the headlights. We got them right there. But when I left work today, or yesterday, truck wasn't running right. So I brought it up to our local shop to have her scanned. And thank you, Fred's Tire and Service of Stillwater, Minnesota. They said I needed a manifold pressure sensor, which I did get, and a canister vent solenoid, which I got. So the canister vent solenoid is this one. And what I know is, I will do a video on this one later on. It is on the other side of that shock mount up against the engine. And those of you that remember doing the shocks on the Colorado will remember, yep, got to go all the way through there. So that was the canister vent solenoid. So we need the manifold pressure sensor. So I kind of looked into that. And the manifold pressure is on your throttle body here. So if here's your throttle body, here's your manifold. Here's your manifold pressure sensor. So this is pretty easy one to do. If we come down here, if I can get the camera in, it's pretty much this clip. You gotta push in on these two tabs down here, lift up. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Nope. Grab my favorite tool here, screwdriver. Let's see if I can balance this or not. Trying to set this up so you guys can watch. But that's proven difficult. Ooh, here we go. Alright, so on the back side you just gotta push in on that tab. And on this side, alright, got that one. Alright, comes off like that. That is kind of tricky. And then we've got the sensor here. And you just gotta slide this top clip off. So this just pushes and slides out of that clip there. So you're gonna want to save that piece. But luckily it fell and hit the floor. So then you just undo your electrical and plug the new one in. So let's go get the piece here. And thank you to my local O'Reilly Auto Parts This is the O'Reilly Auto Parts sensor part number, I guess. Master Pro. Hope you're gonna grab that clip for me. No? That's what I thought. And so here's our other piece. I took a look at it before the video. The electrical connector is the same. The nipple is the same. So I'm sure I don't have to shoot a video of putting it in. It's basically just the reverse of taking it out. So thank you guys, and we will do a video with this other sensor to be put in. Fred's also recommended that I also do all plugs and coils. So we'll do plugs and coils probably today too. I ordered them. They should be coming in on the 11 o'clock truck. So stay tuned for that. There will be lots of videos uploaded this week. We will also do the headlights. Here are the old headlights. Like I said in the previous video, you know, they're the black ribbed part. So stay tuned for more content.